Hi, welcome to Pacific Coast School. My name is Miguel Borges, and today I'm going to show you how to get started using your MacBook. The first thing you'll need is a computer, which you can find right here in our cabinet. All the computers are numbered, and you should try to use the same computer every day. If it's not available, that's okay. Anyway, you look at the number and you sign out your computer. I have MacBook number 12, so I will actually sign out MacBook number 12. It's 11 o'clock. My name is Miguel. And then when I bring it back, I'm going to sign it back in here. You will want to make sure that your computer is fully charged and ready to go. And you can do that by looking at the little plug-in, the charger plug-in, and look at the color of the plug-in. I don't know if you can see that, but this one is orange. That means it's not fully charged. When it's fully charged, this little light turns green. Another way to see how much battery is left is to turn the computer over and press the little button next to the battery here. And you'll see that it lights up. In this case, 3 out of 5 lights are on. This computer is probably good for 2 or 3 hours. It'll be fine. You won't need to charge it up. If your computer does need to be charged, you can find a power adapter over here in one of these drawers. You can just help yourself, grab a power adapter and plug it in. Lots of them in here. While you're here, you can grab a mouse from the top drawer. Grab a mouse. And if needed, you can grab some headphones here as well. Once we're ready to get to work, we can open our computers and dive right in. Oops. Here we go. If the person before you didn't shut down the computer, it should come back to life right away. Alright, this is the MacBook and we're ready to go. As you can see, it has a trackpad right in the middle here. And it has some function buttons up top that perform different functions. For example, there's a volume up and down button. There's a disk eject button there. And there's a screen brightness button. So, well, let's dive right in and take a look at how to use this computer. Another way to check your battery is to go up to the menu bar and click the little battery icon. So it's about 4 hours left on this computer. Okay, so this is the Mac desktop. You can see down here, this is the dock. This is where most of your programs are. For example, Firefox. Oh, I'm going to open up OpenOffice here. Click. And I'm going to just type a quick document just to show you here. Type in hello world. Hold on a second. Hello world. I'm a very slow typer. And now I'm just going to close it. I'm not going to print it or anything. I'm just going to exit. There you go. Discard. I don't need it anymore. So we have 2 programs we go on the internet with. Safari and Firefox. We use Safari for Play-Doh and for Moodle and for email. And we tend to use Firefox for everything else. You know, for Google, for looking stuff up. It's a good idea to have both of them going at the same time, like I do here. That way, if you need to do something other than Play-Doh, you can switch back and forth really easily. And if something screws up in Firefox, it won't mess up your work. There we go. So we can switch back and forth like this. That's pretty cool. So Safari for Play-Doh. Okay, almost finished. Let me just show you quickly something about the trackpad here. You can move the trackpad with one finger and then click with one finger. But if you want to do a right click, you can do that by putting 2 fingers on the trackpad like this, 2 fingers, and then clicking. I usually click with my thumb. So there's a difference between clicking with one finger. You can also use 2 fingers for scrolling as well. Or you could just, forget about it all and just plug in a mouse. That works the best.